I just stuffed myself with so much mac and cheese, I'm gonna turn yellow. Okay, we're good. I was like, I just put a ton of like pepper on my face, or on my face. Oh my God, that's why I needed to eat. I'm like slurring. Yesterday I did not eat enough, and I feel like when I don't eat enough, you can feel like your brain doesn't know what's going on. So make sure you're eating, it's important. It's not 5 o'clock. But I want to get this done because I have a lot of stuff to do, and I feel like if I don't do it now, my whole day is going to be screwed up because like I need to get in the zone. So I know my hair is not blonde right now, but I'm wearing my shirt because I'm a badass. So I just took a shower. I didn't wash my hair today. Let me sit up real tall like this, but I just want to jump in and get this done so I can settle in. And then I can do my makeup and kind of see if I notice a difference. I'm not gonna be eating cookies for a little bit. If you tend to break out, I think you will find that it's clearly from what you're eating and your body doesn't like it. Sometimes I swear it doesn't take a rocket scientist or a doctor to tell us what we already know. But what I do know is that these work really well. I'm gonna brag because when I'm done with this series, I'm gonna be really proud of myself for like committing to this. And then it's time to get back into working out. One thing at a time. I do believe in that saying. You can have it all, but you just can't have it all at once. I really do believe that because I feel like the people that say they have that, like you don't, because you're probably missing something else in your life. Like you can't have it all at once. Like I don't know, like I can't, we can't, it's okay. I think that's the point. I think the point is to want to have it all, so we're encouraged to continue dreaming and manifesting and living. Because if we had it all, would we really be living? Probably not. Thanks for, I can't talk. Thanks for hanging out on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click subscribe so you don't miss other incredibly well-produced videos. But at least like you can come hang out for a little bit. I just burped up mac and cheese. This really hurts. Are you a picker? When I ever have pimples, I pick. I'm a picker. Pick, pick, pick. And then I get scars, and then I have to use this to clear it up. But that's that. So let's try to keep this under 10 minutes. And the only way I can do that is if I don't talk. But then you're just watching me wash my face. This is the final countdown. Isn't that great? Then I can go back to like regular scheduled programming of my life. So I did some cool things yesterday. I decided the only way to get my life back and to live my life is to do the things that I want to do. Easier said than done, we know. All right, this is good enough, I think. So I decided to create another company because I wanted to. I think it's something that's missing in the marketplace. And my personality doesn't like a boring spa. I don't find it boring and depressing. So I came up with an idea related to smooth, buttery skin that you'll crave, like sugar. If a chocolate chip cookie could be a facial, you get me? You feel me? Then maybe I wouldn't want to eat them. Sucks. I do this to myself and then I wonder why I look the way I do. Because I didn't use sunscreen. I'm gonna put this on my chest quick. Like dog hair everywhere. Black is one of my favorite colors. But like when you're around her and this one and the cat, wherever he is, it just gets a little tough. Okay, I don't want to stretch the neck of my shirt out. I hate that. But I just wanted to get this done so I don't need to go back later today and wash my face at 5 o'clock when I feel pretty and I want to wear my makeup a little longer. But it's definitely looking so much better. I'm hoping that some of this will, I don't know, change if I do one more box. So I'm kind of tempted to do another box and do 60 days and really see if I can get a lot of these bigger, darker patches to fade. Don't worry, I will not YouTube it. Because I feel like it's getting really out of hand. And I have a list of like other videos that I want to do. Like I have so many projects. And they're not getting done because you can only do so much at one time, which goes back to you can't have it all at once, okay? Like I can't be bad to the blonde and a redhead. I had to pick one, okay? I haven't worn this t-shirt in a while. There's so much you can do with a t-shirt. There is. Here we are. Which will lead up to the next thing I have to do today, which is why I needed to get this done now. Oof. Feeling this. I'm a little dehydrated though. I can kind of like feel it in my body and in my face. This stuff just works so good. Yeah, I'm really glad that I tried this because I feel like it has been like staring at me at the Sephora checkout counter every time. So, this face mask, treatment, peel, I don't know if I would have branded it as an at-home peel. I just don't think, I don't know, because like maybe some people do peel because like I'm not peeling. I'm not even flaky. I expected to be flaky and super dry. And neither of that has happened, surprisingly. But I do want flawless, balanced, smooth skin and immediate radiance, and this delivers. This delivers. No joke. People are seeing it in like my Instagram stories, so it's like clearly it works. So then buy it, use it, get the same results at home. All right. That's good for today. Okay. Easy peasy. Exfoliaty squeezy. Made that up. Not even a word. Thanks for tuning in today. Tune in tomorrow too. Let's be friends. Hit subscribe. There might be some little bell thing that you ring or something. I don't know. But I'll be here until God takes me off this earth. So, lucky you. I feel like I'm like a big reflection. Obviously, I wouldn't be this shiny, but I am in like the middle day of the sun, so it's doing this. But I wanted to maybe do some makeup quick to show the impact of how awesome those wipes work when you actually want to put yourself together. So that's that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm feeling something basic today. Yeah. Like a wing, like a basic wing. Kind of like a, I don't know. Like a winged eyeliner. I'm not good at this, so I wanna practice. I'm not a big eyeliner fan, so I want to do like eyeshadow. I know, and I just want to do it right into that inner, like right where your inner lashes kind of start. And I winged it out a little bit more than I wanted to. So I should have done it a little more like, I'm not good at this. Like I should have done more of like a up higher. So I should have. And I'll fix this with my foundation so I don't look like I have bat wings, but let's start with that for now. And then I'll do some foundation just to get this going. It's amazing how good your makeup goes on after this. Like it's literally like paint and a canvas. I'm using this different brush than I usually do. I'm trying to be more gentle around my eye area. I always like pull on my eyes. I don't have itchy eyes. I just like, I think because there's always like dog hair floating around. I feel like they get in my eyeballs. Like, do you see the difference? I'm gonna fix this, but like, cake face without a lot of makeup on. It is possible because I took care of my skin. So let me kind of like, so I need to clean up that, my little wing tips. Makes me want a Red Bull with these wings. I just can't. I've never had my makeup go on so like smooth. These things are no joke. So yeah, amazing, right? Amazing. Let me figure this out right here. So I'm gonna try to clean that up. Take this down a little bit because I totally overdid it. Like my wing should have went way up. Need to practice more of that. So obviously I might have to put some concealer up in there. Yeah, I should have done way like way higher. I'm making a mess. It's really hard to do this with makeup. I've decided I need to use like an actual mirror, but look at how good my face looks, and I'll finish it later. So get those wipes. And this is with makeup on. So you saw me just do that treatment. I haven't gone anywhere. Just wanted to hop back on here quick because now that I'm ready for the day to shoot some content for my business. Like, bam! This stuff is worth every dollar.